Hello sushi lovers, namaste and warm welcome from Sushi Man Santosh. Today I'm gonna make very special and crazy rainbow sushi roll with fried tempura shrimp. I'm sure you will enjoy with this easy tempura sushi recipe. So after watching this sushi making video, you will get basic knowledge about how to make sushi at your home. Let's move to the point. I have here tobiko, it's a ray of flying fish, and I have here the neta of salmon, tuna and yellowtail, hamachi. Also I have here tempura shrimp and avocado. Let's fry tempura first, then make it dry with the pepper. Our fried tempura shrimp is ready. It's time to place sushi rice on the seaweed. As you can see on the video, always place the rice on the rough side of the seaweed. If you are making first time in your home, don't worry about it. Just do from your bottom up part. I'm gonna use bamboo mat to roll. Let's put cream cheese. Then I love to put avocado so the sushi roll will be creamy and extra texturous. So I'm gonna cut the avocado and I'm gonna put it in the middle of the sushi roll. Time to place deep fried tempura shrimp and roll it with the help of the bamboo mat with very carefully and very gently. Okay, here I'm gonna put neta of 3 fish on the top of the sushi roll. It's yellowtail, hamachi, and it's tuna, and final one is the salmons. I'll use bamboo mat again to press sushi roll and going to use film paper so the neta won't move, so it will be easy to cut. Okay, time to cut and make beautiful plating. This is tobiko, roe from flying fish, and I'm gonna put on the top of the sushi roll so the color of sushi will be extra and attractive. For the final toss, I love to use teriyaki sauce. Now I'll add ginger pickles and wasabi. Also for the sushi decoration ideas, I always used carrot sakura and flour. You can check link on my description box how to make carrot sakura and flowers. Yes, this is my final result of crazy rainbow dragon sushi roll with salmon, tuna, hamachi and tempura shrimp. How is it? Are you ready to make it in your home? I'm really thankful for your great times. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos about sushi. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day.